Good afternoon, babies, and welcome back to my channel, What's Cooking Mama. Today I'll be making the best stuffed pork chops that you'll ever taste. So I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to tell you the ingredients that I'm going to put in my stuffing for the pork chops, and then you can follow along with the video as I go along. Okay, I'll be putting some green peppers, red peppers and onions in the stuffing. I'll be putting some cornbread that I already made, that I'm gonna break up for the stuffing. I'm going to be putting some chicken stock, some poultry seasoning here, some butter, some cornstarch for the gravy, a little bit of adobo, and that's it. So I have 3 loin chops here. They're kind of big too. I'm gonna use 3. That's why I only chose 3, because they're big. And I took a knife and I slit it. I put the knife in and I made a pocket for my stuffing. I'm gonna pan sear it in the pan, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. You'll see everything as the video go along. Just watch and stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna start now. Okay, I'm back. Now that I pan-seared my chops, I'm gonna take them out. I already preset my oven to 375. So I'm gonna put it in there for at least 20 to 25 minutes. It's all up to what desired doneness, but you're supposed to cook pork 100% done that you like. I'm gonna put it up until 25 minutes. Okay, and I'm gonna make the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Wow, look at that. Hot, guys, be careful. That's alright, the stuff will come out, just put it back in there. No problem. They really overstuffed. I really stuffed them a lot. So y'all can see how I do it. Just put it back in there, no problem. Get all you can, get all the stuffing out your pan. Stuffing that you can out. All that is flavor at the bottom, it's okay. Now I'm gonna put these in my 375 degree oven. Hey babies, I'm back and now I'm gonna make my pan sauce for my delicious stuffed pork chops. Okay, in the same pan, you get it hot. I'll put my butter in. You don't need to clean off the pan because that's all nothing but goodness in the pan. So you just leave it like that. So you let it heat up. And you make a slurry of cornstarch and water, or cornstarch and chicken stock. That'll make it taste better. There you have it. Stuffed pork chops with sauce, pan sauce, and it's so delicious. I hope you try this recipe, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go check out my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.